Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I am here to share what I got for Valentine's Day. So it's here in this little box. You're here to see what's in this here little box. Then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here. I opened this particular box already because this is my first time ever purchasing from this particular website. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, is from Fashion File. I was looking for this particular item before I purchased my Chanel card case, and of course they always sold out. So I was just like, okay. So I happened to go onto the File website, just looking at what they had, because I never purchased pre-love. Nothing against it, but I just never purchased pre-love. So when I went on the website, I didn't know that particular items on their website. So I was like, okay, I'm just looking, reading. So I ended up finding one that was worth me purchasing. So this is the unboxing. The description said excellent condition, because I did pay attention to that, because I didn't want to purchase something that was like kind of like used or had marks and scrapes and stuff just to save coins. So this did say, I want to say, I don't know if it was giftable, but it did say like an excellent condition. I looked at the pictures, read the description, and also what sold me was the fact that it came with the original box and the little card that I was looking for in the Chanel card case. The box, it comes with this here little pouch. This what is it, fingernail file. It says I like money where I can see it hanging in my closet. Fashion File. So, and then it came with these little circle things, or little, I don't know. As you can see, of course, it's something small from Chanel. Your Chanel box. Wasn't too worried about the box being in excellent condition, because as you can see, it's something on here. The Chanel dust bag also came with like the Chanel little booklet. This is from like an older Chanel collection. If you know, let me know down below, because like I said, I'm still new to Chanel. The reason why I say that, because this particular item came with like the Chanel authenticity card, like that little black card. So that's what makes me think that this was like a older purchase, but it wasn't. It is in good condition, because I did look at it, you all. I couldn't wait to do the unboxing. Chanel like velvet dust bag. I forgot what my dust bag felt like just that quick. It feels a little different, I think. With purchasing from Fashion File, I see big ass tag. I guess because back in the day, people was buying from them, wearing the bags and then returning them. Something like this. You know, people not gonna walk around trying to use it and then return it. Do say that snip the tag to make this beauty yours. No returns once it's removed. So I did look at it, but again, I'm gonna make sure I'm loving it. Do this here unboxing. It is like a light pink. It kind of reminds me of the same material as the as my Chanel pouch card case, Chanel CC's up at the top, and it is my card case, and this is the pouch. And I got this because, of course, my birthday is coming up, and like I said before, I was looking to purchase a bag, so I just wanted some cute accessories to go inside of my bag. The inside, like I said, this is the card that I was looking for with the one I purchased, but this is like the newer collection, so I think they did away with the cards, and if so, let me know again down below. Educate your girl. So here in the inside, you have Chanel made in Italy right here on the inside of the pouch, and it's just like a light pink. And what I was looking to use this for was like, I don't know, for like my catch-all, like my AirPod. I don't know about my AirPods. So as you can see, the AirPods fit, but I don't think you can put anything else. Yeah, it would be like a really tight fit if I was to use the AirPods. We're gonna do without that. We're gonna do away with the AirPods. So I have something like my Fenty lip gloss, a graph lipstick. You all, I got this from TJ Maxx. I think this was part of the Pat McGrath Bridgerton collection. So what else? I don't have anything else to, well, let's just say my remote to my camera. So this is not as wide as the Louis Vuitton pochette. A little piece, another piece of Chanel, you all, because I told you I got the Chanel bug. I always start off small. If I'm gonna purchase any more of the SLGs from Chanel, because they so hard to get, you have to pay a little more than retail value for this particular wallet. But that as long as it looks good, because again, this is so hard to get. Because I didn't text my SA at the Lenox Mall, and I called the 1-800 number, and both people said they didn't have it. And I reached out to Maria at King of Pressure, and she said no. So I was just like, okay, let me just look on Fashion File. A little worried about color transfer, because y'all know my dilemma with color transfer. But it's cute. A lot more in here. Why did my light just go out? So yeah, give me 1 second. So yeah, I had to go and plug in my lights because my lights were connected through the battery. So I just plugged them up through the outlet. But yeah, you all, here is so hard to get. And it's a really pretty, it's a pretty good size. Like I said, I wasn't looking to place cards in here. I was looking to use this more for like a catch-all in my purse. I did purchase this here card case, and I'm in love. So I was able to get, you know, the dust bag, the card, and the box, because I don't mind pre-loves, especially when you can get everything that came with the item and it's in good condition. And no, I did sell my Gucci pouch that I posted on my YouTube channel, and the lady who brought it, she was so pleased. Beautiful message. She was like, I felt like it came straight from Gucci. And that just really made my day, because you know, when I like to treat people the way I want to be treated. Presentation, because I made sure when I sent it, the box had the bow on it, because of course I know how to tie the bows now. I made sure the box was beautiful. I put a little thank you card in there. So anytime you purchase from me, you all, you would be pleasantly pleased. I would never sell junk here on my channel. And if you go back on that particular video, you will see her comment stating that, because I know sometimes purchasing luxury things from people you're not sure of, it can be a little tricky. I asked her could she leave the comment in my comment section, just to ensure anyone that if you do ever purchase anything from me, you good. You know what I mean? So pleased with this. So this here will be in my collection. So this here is my second Chanel piece. Like I said, I did get bit by the Chanel bug, you all, and I'm just like, but if everything works well, far as my birthday, I will not be able to purchase no more luxury items, you all. Once I cross that bridge, I will let you know why. But I'm just saying, that's why I have been enjoying myself the way I did, because I knew one day this was going to all come to a stop. And if everything, like I said, works out, it's going to come to a complete stop. So moving forward with my YouTube channel, I don't know what I'm going to do at this point, because I know y'all do enjoy my luxury unboxings. I don't buy these things to do unboxings just to do unboxings. I buy these things because these are the things that I want. But I just want to, like I said, venture out on new things, because it's 2023 and I'm trying to, you know, do other things here on this channel. Like more vlogs, makeup tutorials, sharing my skincare routine, because I get a lot of compliments on my skin. So I feel like now I'm strong enough to where I can share what I use, because I have been using like the same thing. So now I can say, okay, this works, and this works. What works for me, to share things like that. Of course, y'all know I work for Sephora, and I can also share a lot of the new products that come out and things like that. So that being said, I hope y'all have a wonderful Valentine's Day. I'm not sure when this is going to come out. I'm gonna try and get it out soon, but I usually post on Sundays. But of course, we know Super Bowl is on Sunday, and Rihanna is like the headline of the Super Bowl. I think I'm gonna post on Sunday, so I may just post during the week. Valentine's Day gift. So, and if the Eagles win, Philly is gonna be lit. You hear me? Like, oh my gosh, I hope the Eagles win. My stepfather May he continue to rest in peace. But honey, that was his team. He bled green. Like if he was to bleed, it'd be green. That's how much he loved his Eagles. Like on Fridays, he would wear nothing but green pants, turtleneck with the Eagles jersey. Like he was a diehard Eagles fan. Oh, Jimmy, I miss you so much, because I know if you were here, we would have been in PA during the parade once they win. So enjoy the Super Bowl. Like I said, I probably will post this after Super Bowl. I don't think I want to even do that to myself, because I'm already struggling with people watching my videos lately. I don't know what's been going on with my videos reaching people, because a lot of people have been saying they haven't been getting my notifications. So I don't know what YouTube is doing at this point, you all. I'm trying to figure out. It's just so hard. I was thinking so much on just starting a whole new channel, but you know, I'm just all over the place with that. So with that being said, you all, we're gonna go ahead in this here video so I can go ahead and play with these here things I just purchased. That being said, if you enjoyed this here unboxing, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later.